Welcome to our new and comprehensive Nucida Sales Pro session. Today, I would like to deal with the following questions. Why should creatives or consulting people charge more? I have tried to get creative or consulting people to learn to price their projects more so that they can be paid more. Therefore, they have to work less, and they can do higher quality work, employ people, treat them better, grow the economy, and all these kinds of things. But sometimes that doesn't work. And I've come across this way of arguing or looking at a problem called reverse thinking, where you take the opposite point of view. Thus, I am trying to find some answers to this question. Why would it be better for us to charge less? Well, there is a whole bunch of people who seem to want to argue for this and not realize that's what they're arguing for. Like when we get into a discussion about why charging hourly punishes efficiency, innovation, and experience. If you charge a certain amount and you're able to do it faster, you'll get paid less, but you'll be able to take on more work. What would motivate someone to charge less? Well, there is less friction in the sales process. You do not actually have to learn a new skill set. You will be liked, and you will be affordable for everyone. So you do not even have to be selective because choosing a niche or a lane, which I know you talk about, you do not have to do that. You do not have to make difficult business decisions. So, there are all these things that can get looped in there. If you just go one layer deeper, you realize all the problems with that kind of thinking. Well, I do not want to have to hire her to manage people. If I just charge less, I will do the work myself. I will be happier. I do not want to be a manager because I want to be a maker. So I can keep going on and on. But the arguments are fake on my part because I do not really believe any of them. I mean, again, if you just go one layer deeper, you are kind of screwed. It doesn't take much more than that, right? Hey, before we go any further, my team just told me that over 60% of you who are watching this channel are new viewers, but you haven't subscribed to it. So I would ask you, if you find this channel useful, to hit the subscribe button. That helps us analyze it, but more importantly, it helps me teach more people and feel like I'm doing the right thing to help you make a living doing what you love. This may be overwhelming for you because you may be new to your business. You may not be used to sales, and most of all, you are very conflict shy. I understand you. I feel for you. Do you have any questions? In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. The Nucida marketing and sales experts would be happy to support you. We will answer you in the comment section of this channel near time. So, let's try the opposite. Why should creatives or advisors charge more? They should charge more because I believe in a high tide, all boats rise. So the value of creativity and know-how in society will go up if everybody charges more. Because we should not have to kill ourselves working. We can take on less work if we charge more. We can increase profits and we can hire people. Furthermore, we can serve various demographics if we hire helping people who cannot afford us. So, we can actually help more people in that way. If we charge high rates to big corporate clients, then we can charge lower rates, or maybe even afford to do pro bono work for, like, let's say nonprofits. I like this fact. This is 100% nail on the head, which is, if we all charge a little bit more, we lift the entire profession. It makes it easier for people who are at our level or starting out to have something to aspire to and to grow into. Because what is disheartening to me is senior level people have tons of experience moving their prices in the wrong direction, creating no room for anyone just getting out of school, which creates a whole new set of problems now. One of the most important points is the hiring of people, and I would add to that, you can hire the best person if you were able to charge more. And what would that do for your transformation? There is another thing. If you would be charging more for yourself, you will achieve more esteem, self-esteem, and self-confidence. I invested 4 years of my life in this business strategy, and although everyone said it was impossible, I managed it and was able to achieve so much more. This is pretty cool. Our society values professional services, know-how, art, and design as well as creative thinking. That is divergent. This is really super cool. I want that feeling for everyone. Would the world not be a better place at the end of the day? I hope this video helps you understand more about sales and how people think and feel. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. To learn more, please take advantage of our other videos about sales and business development. I wish you fat prey. See you next time. Are you ready to supercharge your business ventures? The Nucida Consulting Group is here to propel you forward in key domains such as marketing, software quality, financial management, and digital transformation. Our dedicated experts stand by your side, whether it's a pressing issue that needs immediate attention or a visionary project waiting to be orchestrated seamlessly. With Nucida, you're not just a client, you're a partner. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss upcoming videos about business development, digital transformation, financial services, and software quality. We bring a wealth of knowledge to the table, ensuring your company not only thrives, but excels in the competitive market landscape. Ready to reach new heights? Visit our Nucida Group homepage, nucida.com, to learn more about our cutting-edge consulting services.